These are made from corner triangles. It's a shape we don't use a lot, but I think I'm going to start using it a little bit more. It's very easy to do. I'm going to set these aside and show you the quarter triangle and how we create it, okay? It's very, very simple. It only requires 2 pieces of material to make one. A 2.5-inch square, which I'm using white and get it from a jelly roll strip, and a 2.5 by 4.5-inch rectangle. Very simple, right? You're going to put the white square on the left corner, left side of this rectangle, and draw a diagonal line through that. And we might have to, no, I think we can see that. You might have to zoom in if not. Now the thing about corner rectangles is when you do one, you have to do a matching one on the other side to mirror what you're doing. Otherwise, you only get a whole bunch of the same piece, and you can't really make a lot of shapes from that. But if you do a lefty and a righty, you're going to be in business. So see, I've drawn a diagonal line here too. We will stitch right along that diagonal line. So when you do that, we have something that looks like this. I stitched along the line, and then I cut off the end piece. I left a 1/4 inch seam allowance right here, okay? So that's what it looks like when you open these up, okay? You can kind of see that's how we get the corner rectangle. And these are my finished ones on that. They're really pretty, and if you think about it, you can use these for a lot of different quilt blocks. Now, I did this. I put them together to form a peak, and that's basically the whole basis of what this quilt block is. And I'm going to separate these out again to show you the difference. The entire quilt block is just this. Let me fold this up. It's only these 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes your quilt block. So then it's up to you how you join those things together. Now I did these in 2 different ways just so you could see. One, this is kind of a diamond shape. I'll call it a diamond shape. I matched them up, mirror image, 1 to 1, okay? And if you do that, you get a white square in the center. It's fine, it's pretty. But if you offset those, put this diamond in the middle of these 2 diamonds, I think I like the result here better. You also get a little chevron going in the middle. These are just 2 of the ways that you can use these corner rectangles. There are a bunch of ways, and we may do some additional videos in the future on how to do this. But I hope you'll try a corner triangle, and happy sewing!